Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. It's Benedict again here from BJLearn, and today I want us to talk about the storage mode within Power BI. So basically, we have two storage modes: the import mode and the direct query mode. So when we talk about the import mode, is where data is loaded into Power BI's internal memory, which creates a local cache. So this cache data is stored within the Power BI file, and then performance is high as data queries run against the in-memory data model, making visualizations and interactions fast. And then data is static until refreshed. So we can always do scheduled refreshes, like maybe after an hour or after every day. And then the best use case scenario here is when the data sets are not too large or don't require real-time data updates like monthly or quarterly reports. So let's move on to direct query mode. So direct query mode, no data is stored in Power BI. Instead, every interaction like filter or visualization change sends a query directly to the underlying data source, and then performance is slower because of large data sets, and then the query is also being done in real time. So this again slows the performance. So performance depends heavily on database server and network speed. So when it comes to data refresh, the data is always current as data is queried in real time. Changes in database are reflected immediately in the Power BI. And then lastly, best use case scenario here is for large data which are up to date that require real-time insights, or if data security policies prevent copying data to Power BI. Then we also have another mode, which is a combination of the import mode and the direct query mode. So this mode is called the dual mode. So here the storage caters for both import and direct query mode, allowing flexibility of cache data for some queries and direct queries for others. So performance offers a balance between there is a balance between performance and data refreshness, and then frequently accessed data can be cached, while infrequently accessed data is queried in real time. So cached data can be refreshed on schedule, but other interactions may pull in live data. And then the best use case scenario is for composite models, where some tables require real-time data and others will use cached data, enhancing both performance and data refreshness. So that's all about the storage mode. So when we come back in our next class, we'll be talking about how to configure the import mode and the direct query mode.